Tips for beginners. Take notes on everything. Utilize OneNote, Cherry Tree, Notepad++, whatever you can, or anything of your choice that you'd like. I personally recommend OneNote. That helped me a lot. As I'm talking about how I passed my OSCP, my notes actually were, what actually helped me on exam. So it's an open book test. It's not something that does not allow you to actually use your notes. You cannot actually have your friend sitting right next to you. You cannot do that. But your own notes are your friend there. So make sure that you're writing up the notes in a proper way. Why I recommend OneNote is that it helps segmenting your notes in the proper way. For instance, if you are attacking a single target, you create a subnote for enumeration and a subnote then for interesting finding or exploitation and pre-risk and all that. So read everything. I actually just mentioned it right away. Read everything. Read write-ups, read books, read resources about infrastructure, anything new, hacking methodologies, penetration testing, execution standards, uh, OWASP top 10, whatever you find, read it, take notes, and that will be very helpful. If you want to be a pen tester, do it, be realistic, uh, maintain a low profile. You know, why I said that is sometimes, the more seasoned pen testers, I have a friend like that. He, they are very busy sometimes. They have their own projects they are working on, and they do not have time or nor willingness to answer hundreds of questions about hacking. Uh, Please realize that this is okay. If someone does not want to help you, there are plenty of other people in the world and thousands of free resources. You just have to find the right person or the right resource. Um, that's why we are here, or I'll say that's why we exist. We help you guys. We are here to answer any questions. And another point is time is very valuable. Do not attack a machine repeatedly using the same failed techniques. Ask for help. Look out for a mentor. If you are certain that whatever you're trying is should be working, reach out to someone who is more experienced and ask for their help, or you know try to troubleshoot it yourself. Troubleshooting is also important if you want to be successful in OSCP. There might be a few things that will break during exam. Maybe your OpenVPN connection that actually connects you to the exam network, or maybe a tool that is not working, so you may have to reinstall it again. So troubleshooting is also important. Spend as much time as you can building your network as you do hacking. Building a network is also important. Uh, do not quit. We do not want uh, to quit very quickly or ever. Actually, I promise you, it gets easier. Um, I'm also a lead instructor at Evolve. I meet a lot of students, uh, you know, and I always say that it will get easier with time. It does. Learning is difficult, and growth as a hacker will take time. Growth will result in growing pains. You may feel like a bad hacker that does not actually know anything, but again, I promise it's not the case. The best thing you can do for yourself is to keep pushing and to hang in there, even during the low points.